What's up guys, it's Michael and welcome to Trading Like Magic. And today is September 8, 2021 and we are on neutral. CoinGecko today, Bitcoin down, Ethereum down, Cardano down, Binance Coin down, XRP down, Solana is down today, Doge is 12% down, Polkadot 12% down, Bitcoin Cash 10% down. Top gainers of the day, I see Near 40% up, Algorand, IOST, Leo, Perpetual Protocol. Top losers of the day, Phantom, Theta, Telcoin, Neo, Cosmos, EOS, Qtom. Top gainers of the week, Near, Phantom, QNT, IOST, Algorand, IOTA, eCash. Top losers of the week, Uniswap, SafeMoon, AR, HNT, Flow, XCZ, ENJ. And guys, check this out. So what are the bullish and bearish months of Bitcoin? It's a case study. And we are now on September. And I always mention this on my videos that September could be a red month. But don't worry about it. October, November would be a green month. Guys, before we go to the chart, if you can like and share my videos, that would be appreciated. It helps the algorithm. Okay, CryptoIndex. On the 4-hour chart, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm expecting a correction. So A, B, C. So guys, this is just a presumption. So Bitcoin on the monthly chart, we are still on the bull run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now, September, we are in a red month. But we are still on the bull run. We're just having a red month, but we are now on the fifth wave, so don't worry about it. Our target would be the all-time high, which is 65,000. If you're holding Bitcoin, don't worry about it. If you're doing dollar cost averaging, that's great. On the daily chart though, I always mention this, that we are still on the megaphone pattern. We are still on the top and now we drop. So we might see the price might still go down here, but there's no guarantee. But right now we're still on the top, the megaphone pattern. And on the 4-hour chart, we do have this ascending channel and it dropped. Ethereum on the monthly chart, similar to Bitcoin's chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are still on the bull run. And right now, September, we might see a red candle, but don't worry about it. October, November, December would be a green month. So our target would be the all-time high, which is 4,600, somewhere there. On the daily chart, we do have a trend line here, and it tried to drop, but it went back again. We do have a support and resistance here. The price doing sideways before and it went up. We are now on the support here, and so right now we do have an indecisive candle. We do have a doji, and we might see the price go up. It could be a good buying opportunity, or it could go down. Okay guys, let's monitor the price. Ethereum, Bitcoin, I actually post this one August 29th, and actually, I closed my position already. There was a resistance here. So actually, it went up. I already closed my position somewhere here because there's a resistance. Dogecoin, this was my previous video. And this is just a presumption here. ABC. And we are here now. So, can this be a good buying opportunity? If you want to add Dogecoin here, that's fine, guys. If you're doing that dollar cost averaging anyways, that's fine. So this would be the first leg. 1, 2. So this would be my count now, guys. This would be our first wave. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So this is just a presumption, guys. But right now, it might be a good buying opportunity for Dogecoin. So maybe to the moon, guys. To the moon. We don't know, okay? There's a resistance here, pull back, and to the moon. So guys, this would be might be a good buying opportunity for Dogecoin. Okay guys, this will do for the day. I don't know why internet's too slow. I already upgraded my internet to 75 megabytes per second. That's the fastest plan. But this fall, there's another company coming here in our town. We're now doing fiber optics. I'm just waiting. Right now they're still digging. Soon I will subscribe on that company. Okay, guys, take care and don't worry. We are still on the bull run. Take care. I love you guys. Bye bye.